So this drink is going to help you in weight loss, give you crystal clear skin, detox your system, and also helps in relieving constipation. So here we have all the ingredients. Just remember that honey is a optional ingredient. So this is boiled water, then lemon juice, then we have a tea bag. So those who do not want to use a tea bag can use tea dust. And to use tea dust, you would need a sieve and a spoon, of course. So here we add lemon juice in 1 cup of boiled water. You can add honey, which is absolutely optional. I will be sharing the two ways to make this lemon tea. One will be with the tea dust, which we will be learning later in the second method. But for now, we will be doing it with this tea bag. So we are not going to boil tea at any point of time. So very simple. In a cup of boiled water, we have added lemon juice, and now we are putting the tea bag in this boiled water. That's it. It's very, very simple. If you want to add honey, you may add a few drops of honey to make it taste a little sweet. Absolutely depends on your taste. So our super healthy detox organic way of making lemon tea is ready. Now this is the second method. In the cup I have poured the lemon juice. Now here I have kept the tea dust, and now I'm pouring the boiled water. So this way it will add the flavor of tea and even the color of tea, but we are not boiling tea at any point of time. You can add honey if you want to make it a little sweet. So these are two very simple ways. It won't take more than 1 minute to make it every day, but benefits are amazing. It is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is going to bless you with so many benefits. You can have it early in the morning or at any time of the day.